I'm going to show you how to make this very healthy cranberry bean and wheatberry salad with Asiago cheese, roasted beets, cucumbers, pistachios, and a tarragon mint vinaigrette. To make the dressing, in a medium mixing bowl, combine the vinegar, mustard, and shallots. Whisking constantly, drizzle the olive oil into the vinegar mixture to create an emulsion. Season this with salt and pepper to taste. Add the tarragon and mint and combine. Toss the beets with 1/4 of the vinaigrette and season with salt and pepper. Set this aside, and then combine the beans, wheat berries, and cucumbers in another bowl. Toss this to combine with the remaining vinaigrette and season it with salt and pepper to taste. Just before serving, gently combine the beans and wheatberry salad with the beets. Sprinkle the plated salad with Asiago cheese, pistachios, and tarragon. Enjoy!